Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. काफ़ी Christmas theme हो गया, but anyway, so in today's video I will be trying different Korean snacks. By the way, it's 3 AM in the night और अभी Korean snacks खाने का मज़ा कुछ और ही आने वाला है because I crave ramen right now. Actually, I received this PR package from, I don't know how to pronounce it. I will link it down. I think it's beige. So this is the box. Wait, let me open it. Okay, I need to flip the camera and show you all. Also, this is not sponsored at all. I haven't eaten anything yet. So before eating, I actually thought why not share it with you guys. So here I am. I will be trying all of them and I will be giving my honest reviews. And I am someone who loves spicy food and I do not like sweet at all. So मुझे थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा है क्योंकि it has a lot of sweet stuff in here. Maybe the ramen is spicy, but I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, let's get started with the video. This is what the box looks like. This is how I received it, and this is so cute. Boarding pass. So I hope one day मेरे हाथ में real ticket भी हो. We have gin ramen. We have this. We have choco pie. We have coffee. We have this and this. I think this is Kimchi. And we have rice cracker. And we have a drink as well. Okay, so the first item that I will be trying is this rice cracker. Let's do a taste test. It's sweet, but not too much. It's tasty. It's really tasty. It's very crunchy, so this is the perfect amount of sweet. This tastes like something, I don't know, some Indian snack, and it smells also like something, I think it's more like caramel popcorn. This is 10 out of 10. I'm really sorry if the frame keeps changing, but मुझे बार बार उठना पड़ रहा है to get one snack क्योंकि snacks मुझसे दूर है. Anyway, we have our coffee. I am a coffee person. For those who follow me on Instagram, you know I love coffee. Black coffee is like a must in my morning routine. I cannot start my day without black coffee or iced americano. So I've made iced americano here. While I was making this coffee, it smelled heavenly. It smelled so good. मेरा पूरा kitchen में वो coffee का smell हो गया था. It was so good. I love the smell of coffee. Let's do a taste test. It's tasty. अगर इसकी cold coffee बनेगी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. It's actually really nice. So I put the whole thing. फिर भी ज़्यादा strong नहीं है. So it's good for people who are not used to black coffee or iced americano. Okay, so I would rate this 8.5. Okay, so the next item is choco pie. Okay, let me try. Too sweet for me. मैंने flavor पढ़ा ही नहीं था. Real strawberry. This is strawberry flavor. जिनको sweet पसंद है उनके लिए अच्छा है. Definitely not me. It's tasty. Like it's not disgusting or anything. अगर मुझे इसको rate करना है, then I'd rate this 7. It's not something very great. It has a very basic taste, but it's good. Okay, so the next item is our all-time fave ramen. Actually received 4 packets of ramen, but I will be trying only one क्योंकि अगर मैं चारों बना दूँगी then कोई खाने वाला है नहीं. Actually मैंने अपने Instagram पे सारे रामेन की एक पिक्चर डाली थी अपने स्टोरी पे and then I asked you guys कि मुझे कौन सा रामेन सबसे पहले ट्राई करना चाहिए and all of you said gin and I know why you guys said gin literally. So I will be making gin ramen and then meet you guys. I'm not trying ramen for the first time, but this particular gin ramen, I'm trying it for the first time. So big. Looking fine AF at 3 AM in the kitchen, cooking ramen. It's literally so hot right now. धुआं दिख रहा है. Also, I will be eating my ramen with kimchi, and also there's one drink left. I will be also trying that out. This is a vegan kimchi. This is not a snack, it's a side dish, like an add-on. Since I have it, I'm going to eat it anyway. And the kimchi that I tried before, I did not like it. I think बहुत कम Indians को kimchi पसंद आएगा because it has a very sour taste. The smell is so strong. Oh god, I think I might. The smell is really bad. It's like garlic with fish, sada hua fish. Anyway, let's try out the ramen. और अगर तुम ramen chopsticks, if you don't eat your ramen with chopsticks, 3 a.m. snack, perfect. It has the perfect taste actually. मैंने जितने भी ramen पहले खाए हैं, it's either too sweet or too spicy. ये वैसा नहीं है. And मैगी के noodles बहुत पतले होते हैं. And इसके these are thick. ओ मुझे साथ में किमची भी खाना है. Doesn't smell nice at all. मेरे रूम में से बास आ रही है. Bro, I don't think I can eat it. सबसे छोटा वाला उठाया मैंने. Here's my kimchi. Here's my ramen. The ramen is really nice. And मुझे ramen actually ऐसे खाने की आदत नहीं है. Ramen क्या, like कुछ भी मुझे ऐसे खाने की आदत नहीं है. I always watch something on Netflix, a K-drama or something else. I'm literally so honest right now. If I have to rate kimchi, I think it's somewhere between 3 to 4 out of 10. And the ramen is 8 out of 10. So we have this drink called rice punch. Feel the sweet, feel the flavor of Korea. This is how it looks. ये sweet वो खाना तो I actually read about it online a few days back, and it's like a dessert drink. I'm really excited for this one. A fun fact about me, मुझे bottle का ढक्कन खोलने नहीं आता है, मुझे can खोलने नहीं आता है. आते हैं but I take a lot of time, तो मैं हमेशा मेरे friends को दे देती हूँ. Let's. Oh God, मुझसे नहीं खुलता है, पता नहीं क्यों. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है कैंस खोलते वक्त. मुझे लगता है कुछ एक्सप्लोड हो जाएगा. Let's taste the drink. Smells like nothing. This is actually nariyal pani, bro. It's sweet. Definitely a dessert drink. It has a very different taste, to be honest. Yes, close to nariyal pani. Time to rate this drink. I would rate this 6 out of 10. So anyway, let's talk about my most favorite item out of all of these. It's I love this. सबसे अच्छा यही है. So anyway, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I'll see you guys in my next video.